Have you noticed how AI is reshaping the way we work? In software development, it's moving faster than ever, helping developers boost productivity, cut down on errors, and even improve code quality. I'm Kayla with Knack. Let's jump right in. AI coding tools are like having an extra set of hands. They automate repetitive tasks, reduce mistakes, and keep projects moving quickly. And by minimizing rework, you save on costs. Consistent suggestions improve code quality, and standardized practices enhance collaboration. It's easy to see why developers are adding AI to their toolkit. Let's look at the top 5 tools, starting with Knack. Knack is an AI-powered coding assistant that generates and optimizes code snippets while keeping a close eye on security and best practices. You can add custom JavaScript and CSS, connect with other systems through its API, or tailor workflows with custom functions. There's also extensive documentation to guide you along the way. The value of Knack is that it delivers secure, optimized code without slowing you down. It helps eliminate common vulnerabilities, speeds up production, and maintains quality standards. It can take some learning for advanced optimization, but once you're comfortable, it's a powerhouse. For example, if you're building a secure login system in Python and Flask, Knack can generate the entire flow, from password hashing to token creation, while guaranteeing security best practices. That saves time and keeps your project safe from the start. Next is GitHub Copilot, the well-known assistant that feels like a programmer working right beside you. It provides real-time context-aware code suggestions and can even translate plain English comments into working code. It supports a wide range of languages and integrates smoothly into popular editors like VS Code and JetBrains. Copilot exposes you to new coding patterns and lets you focus more on solving problems instead of wrestling with syntax. But it's not perfect. You still need to review and test its suggestions, and some developers worry about relying on it too much, but it's incredibly useful. Now, let's move on to Bolt. Bolt is built for rapid prototyping. With a simple prompt or a Figma design, it can generate a full front-end, back-end, and database prototype in seconds. Everything runs in your browser, and when you're ready, you can deploy instantly or export production-ready code. Bolt is perfect for startups, designers, and solo founders who need to validate ideas quickly. It's best suited for MVPs since complex projects might still require manual adjustments, but for testing ideas early, it's a massive win. Another tool worth highlighting is V0 from Vercel. This one focuses on creating visually consistent user interfaces. It generates React components styled with Tailwind CSS, all based on natural language prompts or imported Figma designs. By following the ShadCN design system, it keeps everything looking uniform across a project. The biggest perk of V0 is design consistency. Large teams especially benefit from automated UI standards that save time and prevent mismatched styles. It also helps bridge the gap between designers and developers, keeping collaboration smooth. You may need to refine performance or accessibility in some cases, but for fast, polished UIs, V0 gets you there quickly. And finally, let's talk about Lovable. Lovable is designed for beginners and small teams who want to build apps without heavy coding. It combines natural language prompts with a drag-and-drop visual editor so anyone can build prototypes. You can test concepts quickly, export clean code, and refine later as needed. Lovable works best in early stages. It's approachable, flexible enough for both mobile and web projects, and even integrates user feedback directly into prototypes so you can make changes on the fly. It's not as advanced for complex coding, but for startups or teams experimenting with new ideas, it keeps momentum high. So whether you need secure code with Knack, real-time suggestions from GitHub Copilot, lightning-fast prototypes with Bolt, consistent UIs with V0, or beginner-friendly design in Lovable, there's a tool out there to match your needs. Other great options include Replit, Amazon Code Whisperer, Cursor, Windsurf, and Tabnine. That's it for today's rundown of the top AI coding tools. Thanks so much for joining me. I'm Kayla with Knack. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss what's next, and I'll catch you in the next one.